In this video, let's learn how to crochet a single crochet in the front loops only SEFLO. This the front. This is the back. The side facing you is the front. There is a V. This half of V near our body is the hole we'll put the hook into. Now let's do a single crochet in FLO stitch. Stick your hook into the front loop of the next hole. So, there are 2 strands of yarn on your hook. Yarn over. Then, pull the yarn through just the first loop on your hook. So you should have 2 loops on your hook right now. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. So you're left only 1 loop on the hook. That is a SEFLO. Okay. Let's try it again. Put the hook into the front loop of the next hole. The half of V near our body is hole we'll hook into. Yarn over. Down below behind. Pull the yarn through the first loop on your hook. Yarn over. Pull that yarn through both loops on the hook. Well done! A single crochet in the FLO stitch finished.